San Miguel de Allende is not a city you simply visit. It's a city you walk slowly, one you listen to, one you observe with calm. You don't come here just to see places, you come to feel them. Every cobblestone street holds history. Every facade keeps secrets. And every sunset feels purposefully made to remind you that you're in one of the most special places in Mexico. Today, I'm going to take you through 5 places you absolutely have to visit in San Miguel de Allende, not only for what they are, but for what they make you feel. Parish of San Miguel Arcangel. If San Miguel had a heart, it would beat right here. The parish of San Miguel Arcangel needs no introduction. You see it once, and you never forget it. Its pink neo-Gothic facade looks like something out of a fairy tale. But the most impressive thing isn't just its shape, it's how it dominates the entire city. From almost anywhere in the historic center, its towers remind you where you are. Step inside slowly, lower your voice, look up. It doesn't matter if you're religious or not. The silence, the light, and the architecture wrap around you in a special way. And when you step outside, don't rush away. Stay in the garden, sit for a moment, watch life go by. Locals, travelers, musicians, artists. San Miguel begins here. The main garden. The main garden is not just a plaza, it's the stage where San Miguel happens every day. In the morning, it's calm. In the afternoon, it fills with life. And at night, it becomes magical. Here you hear mariachi, trios, and bands. You see children playing, couples walking, tourists taking photos, and locals simply living. Grab a coffee, an ice cream, or some street corn. Sit on a bench and look around. If you want to understand the rhythm of the city, this is the place. There's no rush. San Miguel doesn't hurry. San Miguel is meant to be enjoyed. The viewpoint. Now we're going to head a little higher. The viewpoint is one of those places that reminds you why you traveled. From here you can see all of San Miguel, the rooftops, the domes, the streets that seem to go on forever, and the parish standing out above everything else. Come during the day to catch the details, but if you can, stay until sunset. When the sun starts to go down and the city is painted in golden tones, you understand why so many people fall in love with this place. It's the kind of view that doesn't need a filter. Just breathe and hold on to the moment. La Aurora Factory. San Miguel doesn't live only in the past. It also pulses with art and creativity. La Aurora Factory is a former textile mill transformed into one of the city's most important cultural centers. Here you'll find galleries, artist studios, sculptures, contemporary painting, and spaces that inspire you even if you're not an art expert. Walk without rushing, step into the workshops, and talk to the artists if you get the chance. This place shows you the modern, creative, international side of San Miguel. It's the perfect contrast to the historic center. Wandering through the historic center. And the last place is not a point on the map. It's an experience. Getting lost in the historic center. Walk without a plan, enter one alley, exit through another, discover an old doorway, a hidden terrace, a small shop. San Miguel is best enjoyed when you stop following routes and start listening to your intuition. This is where you find the best cafes, the coziest restaurants, and those corners that never appear in guidebooks. San Miguel de Allende isn't about seeing everything, it's about feeling something. These 5 places are just the beginning. Because in the end, San Miguel doesn't stay in your memory because of photos, but because of the calm, the beauty, and that constant feeling that makes you want to stay a little longer. And now tell me, if you've already visited San Miguel de Allende, or if you're lucky enough to live here, tell us in the comments what other places you would recommend visiting. I'm sure there are corners, experiences, and moments that don't appear in any guidebook and are absolutely worth discovering. Because in San Miguel, there's always something new waiting. And if you liked this video, give it a like, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe. Be part of the community. See you in the next video.